my overnight train tonight. Come and check it out with me. See how it is. All right. Well, this is my overnight train tonight. We travel together. I'm late DYG and bunch of crew from Hue City in the central Vietnam. We are going to Hanoi tonight with our 13-hour train ride. When you look at our train tonight, it's just amazing. We got a bathroom over here. You can see this is how the toilet on the train look like. Yo, and this is where the place you can actually brush your teeth, everything. And let's look at the room where we're gonna stay tonight. Yeah. Hello, my friend. Hello. Here you are. Look at that, everybody. It's a Christmas traveling time. Look at it. Made it up. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yo. Look how amazing it is. Oh my God. How are you, my friend? You enjoy your train? Oh my God. Look at this one. Happy New Year. Actually, this is an amazing moment that we're traveling in Southeast Asia with the Christmas time as well. So Christmas will coming, what?
1 week today.
One more week, yeah. Absolutely amazing. This is our overnight train. Tonight we're gonna travel to Hanoi. Yeah. And look at my room. There's a boy is over here. He loves eating. There's a boy, this is my a roommate. And this is Rasmus and then my another roommate. Sorry I didn't know your name, but anyway. That's amazing. That's amazing. You're gonna love Asia, my friend. This is the way we travel by the overnight train. People just wonder what is an overnight train will be like. This is how amazing. This is a bed where you can sleep. Got a little table. Got a plate you can charge your phone over here or underneath. And it's just so relaxing. Amazing. Brought to you by G Adventure, my friend. Love it. Thank you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody back home. Love you. Thank you.